Hello, welcome. We're back again. It stopped raining. And it's actually quite nice. There is still a bit of overcast, but it is Scotland, so you can't expect too much. I've been dotting around trying to find some nice spots. Failed miserably. The place I did want to fly turns out it's like a historic place and they do stuff there, so I didn't want to do it with too many people. But found a nice quarry. As you can see, there's not many people here, although I don't think I'll be flying that way. What I do want to go is more that way, and we'll have a bit of fun. Now, I've already told the quad that if I lose it, I ain't getting it, because that is a lot of scraggle. Definitely going to be my riskiest flight yet. I don't think I'm going to be going mental with it. I think what I'm going to do is stay mainly in this sort of zone, and we'll just get some nice views. And I really just want to show off this part of the country because it really is beautiful. We'll get some nice views out towards that way. We should get some views up and over this. So yeah, we'll be able to have a good bit of fun, and let's just go and let rip. See something like that, you've just got to give it a shot. Don't be afraid, and at the end of the day, what's the worst that can happen? Good luck. happening, right? Had a little bit of a play around, had a wee wander, just kept following the signs that said public footpath. I don't think I'm on the public footpath anymore, but I don't see signs saying that I can't be here. There's a sign over there that says no pedestrians, but that to me looks like a playground for us quad pilots. So let's go rip some freestyle and go. That is definitely some scraggle and the worst dunt that this Reverb has had. So, oh, some scratches on the screen. That'll never do. Ooh. Back to the flight. what a night. That was some of the most epic flying I think I've ever done. And it's a good feeling. Drone's all fine as far as I know, so nothing to report there. I'm just dying to get out and do it again. Beautiful part of the country, driving back at night there, lovely even at night, just looking across the water, so I think it could be fingers crossed for another good few days of weather. And until that happens, I'm just going to have to sit and edit this video, and hopefully I'll get some more great footage from this part of the world. I'm knackered though, so time to call it a night, and happy flying everybody. Don't crash.